The Four Smart Students. Once upon a time, 4 students were out partying at night. They were enjoying their party out. They didn't study for the test next day. On the next morning, to escape the test, they thought of a plan. They made themselves dirty with grease and dirt. They went to the teacher and said they had gone to a wedding last night. On their way back, the tire of their car burst, and they had to push the car all the way back. So, they were not in the condition to read for the test. The teacher thought for a minute and said they can appear for the test after 3 days. And then they all thanked him. After 3 days, the test consisted of only 2 questions with a total of 100 points. The questions were 1. Your name, which consisted of only 1 point. And then the second question was, which tire burst? It had a total of 99 points. The options were A. Front left, B. Front right, C. Back left, D. Back right. After reading the test, all 4 of them felt ashamed. Moral of the story: take responsibility.